Hey guys, it's me, Desiree, professional investor. And I just want to take a minute here and say to you guys, look, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know that I'm always talking about you need to create passive income. And the reason that you need to create passive income is to get your freedom. Right now, most of us have been taught that if you get a good job, you work hard for, 40 years, at some point you're going to have some financial security, you're going to live your golden years, traveling the world. But the truth is that plan ain't working. And you don't have to wait 40 years. You can create passive income for yourself right now. For more than 30 years, I was out there flipping houses and also landlording. Landlording was the closest thing that I had come to passive income, but even that was a job. It wasn't until I found out about mortgage note investing that I really started to see how to create passive income. And now you combine mortgage note investing with using other people's money to do mortgage note investing, and that's called financial freedom. And I can show you guys how to do that. I teach people how to do that all the time. Get on over to investbrilliantly.com. You can kind of check out what we do. There's a lot of free information over there on that website. The other thing too is every Saturday I have a meeting with my partners and with some of my students and mentees. If you want to see what it is that we're about, I invite you to shoot me over an email at investbrilliantly.com. You can find a spot on there. Just shoot me over an email and say, hey, I'd like to be a guest on one of your Saturday morning Zoom mastermind sessions. And I'll be happy to send you a guest link for one of our Saturdays. You can see, kind of take a peek behind the curtain and see what we're all about. All right. And if you decide you want to join us, then join us. I can tell you this, John Kennedy once said, a rising tide lifts all boats. And I'm simply saying that, we're all in the boat together, and the boat is note investing. The rising tide is what you want. You want to be a part of this boat, okay? So anyway, guys, that's what I want to give you today. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys later.